Hi everyone, this is my brand new Masterclass series video and today's look is inspired by the Mermaid. Now, when I came up with this look, I was really kind of falling into a new version of myself because I'd had my hair cut into a David Bowie sort of mullet from my days as I was a model. That's when I started. It was always very short. And I wanted to play with different looks, and it was very difficult when the top of your hair is really short and the back's really long. So I wanted to grow it out, and I started to grow it out. And as I gradually grew it out, I started to lighten the colour. I didn't want to use those dark purples in my hair. I wanted to use more brighter cerise pinks. I used to use directions pinks, which I loved. They were just so bright and gorgeous. They do stain your pillows, but they were fun to have. So I began to use actually hair extensions and sew-in extensions in my hair. And as things started to grow out and people started to really respond positively to it, I kept on being compared to Ariel and the Little Mermaid. And I looked into the Brothers Grimm, I looked into Hans Christian Andersen, I looked at all those backstories of all of these incredible stories that are just so bizarre. Now you look at them, you're like, what on earth was that about? And I just thought, wow, what a fascinating insight. And someone wrote on Tumblr, which was back in the day, and whether it's canon or not, who knows, but they said that Hans Christian Andersen designed the metaphor of the mermaid around the idea that he was gay but couldn't attain the straight person, and his hair was cut off and all this stuff and imagery in the original fairy tale. So I liked it. I thought it was a fun one to play with. And then I went into a competition that Lion Crime was doing, which was before any controversy with Lion Crime, and my friend submitted the picture I took in my room. It was literally against my wall in my room. It wasn't any fancy photo shoot. And it was one of the first ever LGBT images to go viral. It was insane. It became like the most overshared image, I think, of my entire work. It was sold. I had over 1,000 people draw pictures of me as a mermaid. There were things on T-shirts. I had all this incredible experience doing it. So the mermaid one I had to do, but because I'm saving the mermaid imagery for something else, and for my matte collection, I wanted it to be a bit more fantasy and 80s legend inspired with a unicorn. I thought, let's do a pink bob version because it's kind of a classic, but it's modified. So please enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial series. Please check out my MAC makeup collection. It is the blueprint of all my work. It's the products that I grew up using. Don't forget to grab those stickers. They're really a touch of the JH magic and I hope you love them. So yes, thank you guys for watching.